Hey guys, Ed here. Welcome back guys to Models and Beer. This is going to be a quick video. It's a different type of video. It's not going to be a build video, but I want to take a minute kind of to introduce who I am and my channel and why I do what I do. I started this channel up and I just kind of went right into building models and stuff and never really introduced myself. So I think I'll take a few minutes to do that. First off, I know on my last video I left off and I said that that was going to be the last time you guys would ever have to look at all this clutter behind me. And unfortunately, that's not the case. I ordered a green screen and it arrived about 2 days ago, okay? And I was at work when it arrived, but I got the email saying that it was delivered. And I was so excited to get home and play with my green screen, you know? So that was the first thing I did. I was like a kid, you know, on Christmas morning. I raced home and grabbed my box. I opened it all up. I set everything up and turned it on and realized I didn't know what the hell I was doing. It looked terrible. All this clutter behind me right now looks better than that green screen did, trust me. I didn't have the proper lighting, okay? And if you've ever messed with green screens, that's probably all I need to say. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But you can see shadows behind me, which really messed up the green screen. I didn't have equal lighting on the green screen, so that looked horrible. Yeah, so it was just like a big disappointment. So I ended up ordering 2 sets of lights, and they should be here in a day or two or something, and then I'm going to have to play with it again. So, but that's the reason that this is all, you know, there. But anyways, guys, going back into the modeling aspect of things, when I was a child, my stepfather, I should say, he was a sailor man, okay, and he pretty much raised me. My real father had passed away at an early age for me, so he raised me, and every single Christmas, I'm going to say I was probably 9, 10 years old or so, and every year for Christmas, he would buy me like a Revell ship model. I had the Missouri, I had the Arizona, Bismarck. Every year it was a different ship. And he would give me the ship and a bottle of the glue, the model glue. And back then that model glue, it smelled like the orange. Do you remember that glue? And I like the smell of that orange. Okay, I'm not a glue huffer, but I did like the smell of that orange. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I would take these models, and he'd let us open it on Christmas Eve. Every Christmas Eve, that was the one present I was allowed to open, was the ship model. And I would slap this thing together in like an hour, you know, and it was just nothing but a big ball of glue and plastic by the time I got done. And I had stringy glue everywhere. But every year he bought me one, you know, and every year I would build it the same way. I didn't paint them. I didn't do anything to them. I just glued them all together, and there you have it, you know. So that's kind of where my interest comes in as far as my modeling. That's why I do like the ships and military type stuff, because that's the stuff I built. As I got into my teen years, I kind of strayed away from the models and, you know, got into more teen stuff, you know, girls and things like that. But now that I'm a little bit older and settling down and, you know, looking for something relaxing, I got back into modeling. So that's why I started this channel, to interact with people with the same interests as me. So that's the reason for my channel. Another reason for what I do in my channel as far as my step-by-steps and things like that. When I look for a model that I want to build, I tend to go to YouTube. I tend to research that model. I like to see somebody building it so I can see what's involved, you know, with the kit, and just to see what I'm in for, you know. And at that point, you know, I'll decide whether or not I have an interest in that. And, you know, I look at the unboxing. I want to see what I'm buying, you know. So that's the reason I do what I do, guys. I'm not ever looking to get monetized on this channel and make money off of what I do. I do, you know, my modeling and things like that, so other people might look at what I'm doing. And I'm not a good modeler, guys. I'm average, okay? There's people a whole lot better than I am, and there's channels a whole lot better than I am. But I figure, you know, if somebody is wanting to do, like right now, you know, my Hemet build that I'm doing, if somebody down the road has an interest in it, hopefully they'll find my channel and they can see what's involved, with that kit, and with that, and they can make a decision whether or not that's something that they're looking forward, something that they want to do. So my channel is not about, showing you how to build anything. And, like I said, I'm just an average modeler, and you'll see if you watch my videos, I make mistakes, but hopefully by watching me make my mistakes, if somebody is, wanting to do the same build, maybe I can save them some time, and, mistakes that they're making, they can see what I did and, hopefully avoid that same mistake. So that's really what this channel is about, guys. And I just, I enjoy being in a community where people have the same interests in me. So that's what this channel is all about. It's not about teaching anybody how to do anything. Because like I said, there's a lot of channels that are a whole lot better than me. And there's builders, model builders who are a whole lot better than me. And I'm just an average guy, an average builder. And, and I think that's kind of cool in the sense that I'm going to make a lot of mistakes, and you can watch the mistakes that I make and hopefully, like I said, avoid the same thing. So that's really what it's all about. But anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to do, is just kind of do a quick introduction and, let you know about the green screen thing that happened. And so, yeah. So now I got to wait on these lights to get here, and I'm going to try to reset everything back up, and hopefully the next video that you see will have a nice background to look at. So guys, once again, thank you so much. I got some updates coming on the Hemet in a day or two. So today is my Friday from work. I got a couple of days off. I'm enjoying a beer or two, and I'm going to get back into some modeling here real quick. So everybody have a great week. I'll see you on the next video, okay? Bye-bye.